Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert radar chart in MS Word. So very easily you can insert this radar chart in MS Word. So firstly you need to click on insert and chart, and in this list you find this radar. So click on it, and you see here this three options will be there. You can select which one you like and press OK. You see here this will be very easily insert. So very easily insert this like you see here, and you can customize this Excel file. Using this Excel file you can customize it very easily. You see here. So this way you can very easily insert it. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful and interesting videos.